Okay, fuck you guys, I'm ready. I'm facing the right way.
He's like, fuck, I'm out. See you later, boys.
See ya.
Fuck, I pulled my groin pretty hard.
You did, yeah.
Oh, you want me to massage it?
It's not his first time.
I'll get my buddy to do it.
You guys keep saying that. Is there something I don't know?
When I first met this guy, I thought, this guy wants to have a fucking foursome with my wife. He probably still does.
Hit it? That'd be a threesome.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, this is a threesome.
That'd be an airtight.
Hit it? 1, 2, 3.
Brother,
huh?
That's awesome. Your problem, those pictures doesn't do no justice how steep it is.
The what?
The pictures, they don't do no
I know
justice.
they
You
don't.
think it's flat, but it's like vertical up here. All right, let's get that sucker out. Imagine how cool it'd be for the gram. Okay. Okay, Mike, you gotta come down here, man. I need another body, dude. This is gonna, we gotta try to retain this thing from fucking rolling.
I've got to kind of, yeah. Oh yeah. What do you think, backwards or?
No, we'll get this ski down, but we gotta drag the the right side ski first. And make sure that you don't roll.
You're gonna drag the low, like the underside ski?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, is it? Well, I'll load this then if you can.
I'm gonna hold the tunnel while you
Whoa.
do that.
Yep.
Let me get a foot in, Evan.
Whatever you do, don't let go of it.
Well, try not to.
Not really much
Get
to
her
grab
straight,
it.
Ian?
Huh?
You get her straight. If we can't hold it back, just jump on it.
Yeah.
Try to ride her out of it.
I don't know how much I can grab on here.
Oh, they just break the ice away. I have a snow a strap if you need one.
Oh, me too.
Oh, okay.
Honestly, it'd be worth putting a strap right here, and then you holding that side up.
You think?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think if he's holding on the bars,
Yeah.
it's probably the best bet. All I'm doing here is I'm just trying to help this stop moving so you actually pivot.
Yeah.
Yep. Because we need to pivot that front round, don't we?
Yeah, so he wants to drag that
From
the underside ski down.
Down and then, yeah.
And then you just have to fucking hop on her and
Yeah.
ride the bitch out.
Yep.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna ride up to the first little plateau.
Whoop. Hold on. You ready?
Alright.
Yep. Yeah, when you're ready.
Okay. You should start it.
Hey, hold on, whoa. I'll start it then, yeah.
Evan, get up from underneath it.
Watch out, Evan!
Evan, move.
Whoa! Whoa!
Hey, you on it?
Not yet!
Wait. I'll pull you over.
Hold on. Go on then.
Ian,
Yeah?
pull you over and
Yep.
then you ride it out. Ready?
Yep.
1, 2.
Good, guys. Before you lift him out.
Oh, he's stuck again.
It's gonna come back and bite him.